Okay, today we get to convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds by analyzing number stories. So on page 49, you're going to be using that clock or that flattened out conversion chart clock to help you answer all of the questions on 49. On page 50, you're going to be using it to help you with on some number stories. So why, I'd like you to turn and talk to your blue partner, why would it be important for us to convert from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds? Knowing time better is one thing. And then also, to that point, people communicate time in different ways. So sometimes people will say, oh yeah, I'll be there in a half of an hour. Or someone might say, oh, I'll be there in 30 minutes. Or someone even more crazy might say, I'll be there in 1,800 seconds, right? Okay. Whatever. So people communicate time differently. So we want to have that sense about that time conversions moving forward. Okay. There was a noticing about time. What did you notice? Come on up here. What did you notice about the conversion of time? Say, let's go from hours to minutes.
Hours to minutes, like, let's make it short. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 2 hours, 120. 3 hours, 180.
Okay, let's go with that.
And then for minutes to seconds, it's the same thing. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 2 minutes is 120 seconds. And then 3 minutes is 180 seconds.
So what you're saying here is that when you convert from hours, it's never the size I want, right? When you convert from hours to minutes, it's the same as converting from it's the same as converting from minutes to seconds. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that thought. Just working this out still. It's like my first day every day. Well, I appreciate that. I can. Okay, so hours to minutes, what you're saying is when you go from hours to minutes, it's 1 to 60, 2 to 123 to 180, which is the same as when you go from minutes to seconds, 1 to 60, 2 to 123 to 180. Is that correct? I love it. So an hour times 60 equals minutes. Does that seem about right? So if I have 1 hour times 60, it equals 60 minutes. Is everybody okay with that formula here? Yeah, I got some people up front not real sure yet. Okay. So I think we could also say that a minute times 60 equals seconds. Is everybody okay with that? Does that that tells the story that was told just a moment here? That with that formula? So in order to go from an hour to a minute, you multiply by 60. So if you have, so what's 5 times 60? What's 5? I'm going to ask, what's 5 times 60?